Hi guys, welcome to mathematics. In this video, we want to solve for k in 5 raised to power k equals 50. Wait a minute, can you solve this before I do? Alright, you can actually do that and comment your answer in the comment section. Alright, let's do it together now. Let's see solution. We have 5 raised to power k equals 50. So from here, we introduce log to both sides. Introduce log to both sides. So we have log 5 raised to power k equals log 50. Right? So here, let's recall from our law of logarithm that if you have log x raised to power y, this is equal. Y will come forward, we have y log x. So applying this to this, we will have k will come forward, we have k log 5 equals log 50. So we can divide both sides of this by log 5. Log 5. This we cancel this. We have k equals log 50 divided by log 5. So we have k equals, we can actually break this 50 into the product of 5 and 10. So we have log 5 times 10 divided by log 5. So from here, let's recall that from the law of logarithm, if you have log x times y, this is equals log x plus log y. Right? So applying it here, we have k equals log 5 plus log 10 divided by log 5. I hope you are following. So we have k equals log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 10 divided by log 5. So here we will have k equals log 5 divided by log 5 will give us 1 plus log 10 divided by log 5. Right? So we have k equals 1 plus, again we can break this 10 into product of 5 and 2. So we have log 5 times 2 divided by log 5. So again we will have k equals 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. And this is equals 1 plus log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So we have k equals 1. Again, we have plus 1 here plus log 2 divided by log 5. Right? So here we have k equals 1 plus 1. We have 2 plus log 2 divided by log 5. Right? So also let's recall that if you have log x divided by log y equals, we'll have log x in base y. So let's apply this to this. So we have k equals 2 plus log 2 in base 5. So guys, this is our answer. So but you can actually check this. But before we move on, my great fan, you can now send super to support this channel. It helps me to create my content you love. I say a super thanks, and I will make sure to give it a shout out in my next video. So let's move on with our check. We have 5 raised to power k equals 50, right? So don't forget k equals 2 plus log 2 in base 5. So we have 5 raised to power 2 plus log 2 in base 5 equals 50, right? But don't forget, from our law of indices, if we have s raised to power p plus q, this is equals s raised to power p times s raised to power k, right? So applying this to this, we have 5 raised to power 2 times 5 raised to power log 2 in base 5 equals 50. Here we have 5 raised to power 2 give us 25 multiplied by 5 log 2 in base 5 is this equals to 50. So here recall that if we have x raised to power log y in base x equals y, because this we cancel this, so it should will be left with what, with y. So looking at this, we'll have 25 times, and you observe that this we cancel this, so we have 2 equal is this equals to 50. Multiplying out this, we have 25 times 2, that is 50 equals 50, right? So that means that our k equals 2 plus log 2 in base 5 is valid, right? So you take it as our solution. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video. Bye.